Hello, I'm Nok, Canva Verified Expert and Content Designer. Today I will share with you how I create and edit this short video in Canva. I always start my work with a concept such as what I want to create this time and also the design style. I have a lot of male audience on Instagram, so that's why I want to create something that not too sweet. But actually I like something pastel. Okay, let's get started. After finding an audio I like, I will copy a link and paste it here on this website to download the audio. And then just upload it to Canva and drag it into your design at the position you want. I search for all fonts manually instead of searching on Google because I like to have something new, and this is the way I create all of my contents. Element timing is a good feature to let the text pop up at the right time, and you can also use an animation that match the mood of your fonts or design. And this time, I use only one video transition because there are many things that the audience needs to catch up on already. So I don't want to give them headaches. So be careful when you use a transition. I think just only one or two is enough for a video. Okay, thanks for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye!